professional kits to midwives in the Southwest. At an event held at the International Culture and Event Center in Akure, Ondo State capital, the First Lady presented an additional grant of 15 million naira to the wife of the governor of Ondo State to support 1,000 women petty traders in the state. She says the Renewed Hope initiative recognizes that health professionals require not only skills and compassion, but also the right tools and equipment to encourage and support their work. She also mentioned that the initiative has provided targeted interventions in agriculture, economic empowerment, education, health, and social investment to improve the lives of families across Nigeria. Now, Special Advisor to the Governor of Ondo State on Women Affairs, Seun Samaye, joins me on the news at 7 for more updates. Tell us more about this project and its potential impact, especially on healthcare delivery in Ondo State.
Well, I would say that we cannot overemphasize the impact of what Her Excellency Senator Oluremi Tinubu, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, ONCON, has done for us in Ondo State today. I want to say that the impact even stretched beyond the state to all other states of the Southwest. I would say that the agenda is to ensure that our women, pregnant women specifically now, have access to safe delivery so that the midwives, the nurses attending to them can have professional kits, scrubs, and crocs while taking delivery of those pregnant women. So I would say the intervention is impactful. For us in Ondo State, we had cause to benefit from several opportunities of the Renewed Hope initiative. Our elderly women have benefited, the women in agriculture, our young pupils and young students have been inducted into the Farmers Club. And so today you could see the excitement among our women in the state. We are so happy, we are so joyful, because this intervention will also help our women in reproductive in this for us, not only in the state, but in the entire Southwest Nigeria.
All right. And what is the modality for selecting beneficiaries? Let me quickly announce to our viewers that there's a bit of delay, and so it might take a few seconds before we are able to hear her response. But yeah, talk to us about the modality for selecting beneficiaries.
What we did was to identify different communities. There are different schools. There are different schools of midwifery. There are different schools of nursing, and also we have different health workers, we have different agencies. So what we did was to ensure that all hospitals, all agencies, all health workers are represented to accept, or sorry, to receive some of these items. We ensured there is equal distributions of these items, and it is across the state, and even the wards will not be left out. What Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, ONCON, has done was to present us with over 10,000 items of the state. So I can tell you categorically that it will be sufficient enough to go around our health workers. It will go around our nurses. They will have enough materials. Our focus is not just them having skills, but also having enough materials to wear. And all of these things will aid safe delivery. All of these things will as reproductive health. So of course we've done enough groundwork before the distribution, before even the presentation today.
All right, so talk to us about sustaining the momentum. How do you hope to do that? What is the plan on ground for that?
Can you please come again? I'm
talking about sustaining the momentum. They've received these items. Are there plans to, continue to provide such?
Of course. I want to say that His Excellency, the Governor of Ondo State, Dr. Lucky Orimisan Ayedatiwa, is set to flag off 10,000 delivery kits that will contain several items for pregnant women. So, and all of these things is to complement the efforts of Her Excellency, the First Lady. So I want to say that we have massive plans within the state to sustain what Her Excellency has done today.
Special Advisor to the Governor of Ondo State on Women Affairs, Seun Samaye, thank you very much for talking to us on TVC News at 7.
Thank you. Thank you.